Hello there, lovelies. It's a hot sunny day and I'm back with another refreshing and healthy pineapple and mango smoothie that you cannot resist. So for this lovely recipe, our ingredients are some mangoes. This is 2 whole mangoes that I sliced like so, and this is a bowl of frozen pineapples. You can use fresh for any of these ingredients. I use frozen sometimes to avoid using ice cubes, okay, and a glass of milk, okay. If your mangoes and pineapples are not sweet enough, you can add any sweetener of choice like sugar, honey, or stevia, whatever your preference is. So what I'm going to do now is take my blender, add in the milk, then the mangoes, and finally the frozen pineapples. Okay, cover it up and blend it until it becomes smooth. Blend it, I'm using the pulse option. Just look at that. Just look at that. Look at how creamy it is. Out of the same smoothie, I also made some popsicles out of it, and this can be used for you to snack on any time of the day you want. It is so filling and refreshing. Today my shout outs go to my lovely mom and dad back home in the Gambia. You know, love you guys so much and miss you guys so much too. This smoothie is for you too. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.